Hey there! In this video, we'll be going over your GawkBox tax forms. We'll cover which form is right for you and walk through the most commonly required forms. If you are a creator with GawkBox, you'll need to complete the correct tax form with accurate information to receive payments. GawkBox does not make any deductions to your earnings on behalf of taxes. You are responsible for reporting and paying any taxes you owe on the payments you receive in your local jurisdiction. If you do not understand your tax obligations, please consult a tax professional or a parent or guardian. Once completed, you will not have to fill out your tax information again unless your details change. To summarize, getting paid by GawkBox is the same as any other method of getting paid, and you'll need to report these payments in your taxes. Filling these sheets out allows you to do so and is not a deduction from your earnings by GawkBox. So, let's get started with filling them out. Head to your Account tab within your GawkBox profile. From there, select Configure. You'll be brought to a page hosted by our secure payment partner, Tipalti. As you can see, I've entered in some example info here. Remember, you'll need to enter your correct and accurate info to receive a payment. Once you've filled in your basic info, select Next. Here, you're able to select your payment method. If you're unclear on which method to select, we've got more information in our Payments FAQ and video, and you can find those links in the description of this video. Once you select your payment method, fill out the info needed to successfully receive your payment. We'll select PayPal for this example. Make sure that the name in the Name on Account section matches exactly what you've put on the first page. Select Next. Here, you'll select your tax form. If you're within the US, select the W-9. If you're outside of the US, select the W-8BEN. Let's begin with the W-9. Open up the form by selecting Next. First, fill out the name section so that it exactly matches the previous page's information. If you're reporting these taxes as an individual, fill in the top box. This is most likely the case unless you are reporting earnings as a business. If you're reporting as an individual, select Individual below. If you are eligible for any tax exemptions, please note that here. If you're unaware of any, leave it blank. After that, enter your address as it appears on your previous entries. Finally, enter your social security number here or your EIN if you're reporting as a business. Great! If you're a US creator, you are good to go. If you are outside of the US, let's go through the W-8BEN. As a non-US creator, you will not owe any taxes on your earnings to the US government. However, we collect taxpayer information in a W-8BEN form to prove to the US government that you do not owe any taxes. Next, select the checkmark and e-sign your name to submit the Certificate of Non-US Activities. This is to show that you are a non-US creator and should only be signed if you are not a US taxpayer. Next, fill out your citizenship, residence, and mailing details before hitting Continue. Then, fill out your Foreign Tax Identification Number. This is your national insurance number in the UK. Nearly there. Now just select your country of residence and hit Continue. This will take you to the review page. Here, let's just check over the information and hit Continue. And finally, the certification page. This is the last step. Just check the boxes and e-sign. Awesome, that's it. You should now be ready to receive payments from GawkBox. Look for an email from the payment provider to ensure your status. Remember, before we can process our first payment to you, you will need to submit your tax information through our payment provider. Even if you're under 18, you'll still need to report your earnings, so you'll need to complete your tax forms. That's it. If you've got any more questions, please visit our Help Center at gawkbox.zendesk.com or visit our FAQ.